Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
What foods can be used for weight reduction? Reducing weight for sure is a challenging task. Not all calories are created identical. Different meals undergo exceptional metabolic pathways to your frame. They could have massively different results in your hunger, hormones, and the number of calories you burn. Here is a list of some foods which will help you to shed some weight. Whole eggs. Once feared for being high in cholesterol, entire eggs have been coming round again. Although a high consumption of eggs raises the stages of bad LDL cholesterol in some people, they are one of the satisfactory ingredients to devour in case you want to shed pounds. They are excessive in protein and fats and are very satiating. One has look in 30 overweight women showed that consuming eggs for breakfast as opposed to bagels improved feelings of fullness and made individuals eat less for the subsequent 36 hours. Another 8-week take look and discovered that eggs for breakfast improved weight reduction on a calorie-limited eating regimen as compared to bagels. Eggs are also relatively nutrient dense and let you get all of the vitamins you need on a calorie restrained weight loss plan. Interestingly, almost all of the vitamins are found inside the yolks. Leafy greens. Leafy veggies include kale, spinach, collards, Swiss chard, and a few others. They have several properties that cause them to perfect for a weight loss diet, including being low in calories and carbohydrates and loaded with fiber. Eating leafy vegetables is a high quality manner to grow the extent of your meals without increasing energy. Numerous research display that food and diets with a low power density make people consume fewer energy on average. Leafy vegetables are also extraordinarily nutritious and really high in lots of nutrients, antioxidants, and minerals, which includes calcium, which has been proven to resource fat burning in some studies. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon is pretty wholesome and very satisfying, maintaining you full for lots of hours with incredibly few calories. Salmon is loaded with amazing protein, wholesome fat, and numerous crucial vitamins. Fish and seafood in widespread may supply a gout, sardines, herring, and different kinds of fatty fish also are excellent. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables encompass broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Like different veggies, they are excessive in fiber and have a tendency to be particularly filling. What's more, these kinds of veggies commonly contain respectable amounts of protein. They are no longer nearly as high in protein as animal meals or legumes, however, still high compared to maximum vegetables. An aggregate of protein, fiber, and low energy density makes cruciferous greens the best meals to consist of in your food in case you want to lose weight. They are also enormously nutritious and comprise most cancers preventing substances. Lean beef and chicken breast. Meat has been unfairly demonized. It has been blamed for numerous health problems, regardless of a lack of appropriate evidence to return up these negative claims. Though processed meat is unhealthy, research shows that unprocessed red meat does not enhance the hazard of coronary heart ailment or diabetes. According to two large assessment studies, red meat has simplest a completely susceptible correlation with cancer in guys and no correlation in any respect in women. The fact is, meat is a weight reduction friendly food because it's high in protein. Protein is, by ways, the maximum filling nutrient, and consuming an excessive protein weight reduction plan could make you deplete to 80, 100 greater energy. According to day studies have proven that growing your protein consumption to 25% of everyday energy can reduce cravings by using 60%, reduce your preference for overdue nighttime snacking by using half off, and cause weight loss of virtually 1 pound, according to a week if you are on a low carb eating regimen. Sense free to eat fatty meats. However, if you are on a moderate to high carbohydrate weight loss program, deciding on lean meats may be more suitable. Boiled potatoes. White potatoes seem to have fallen out of style for some reason. However, they have numerous houses that cause them to a perfect meal, each for weight loss and foremost fitness. They contain an extremely diverse variety of nutrients, a touch bit of almost everything you want. There have even been deaths of human beings dwelling on not anything but potatoes by myself for prolonged periods of time. They are mainly high in potassium, a nutrient that the general public doesn't get sufficient of and that plays a critical role in blood pressure control. On a scale called the satiety index, which measures how filling distinctive foods are, white, boiled potatoes scored the best of all of the meals tested. What this indicates is that by ingesting white boiled potatoes, you will naturally feel complete and devour much less of other foods. If you allow potatoes to cool for some time after boiling, they will shape high amounts of resistant starch, a fiber like substance that has been proven to have various fitness advantages such as weight loss. Sweet potatoes, turnips, and other root vegetables also are splendid. Tuna. Tuna is some other low calorie, excessive protein food. It's lean fish, meaning it's low in fat. Tuna is popular among bodybuilders and fitness fashions who are on a cut, as it's a high quality way to increase protein intake while preserving total calories and fats low. If you're seeking to emphasize protein intake, make sure to pick out tuna canned in water, not oil. Beans and legumes. Some beans and different legumes may be useful for weight reduction. This includes lentils, black beans, kidney beans, and some others. These ingredients tend to be excessive in protein and fiber, which can be two vitamins that have been shown to result in satiety. They also generally tend to incorporate some resistant starch. The important hassle is that a number of human beings have problems tolerating legumes. For this reason, it's vital to prepare them nicely. Soups. As noted above, meals and diets with a low strength density tend to make human beings consume fewer calories. Most ingredients with a low strength density are those who include lots of water, consisting of vegetables and fruits. But you may also just add water on your food, making a soup. Some research has shown that ingesting the exact same food was a soup as opposed to as table meals makes human beings experience greater satiety and eat substantially fewer calories. Just ensure now not to add an excessive amount of fats for your soup, including cream or coconut milk, as this will extensively growth its calorie content material. Cottage cheese. Dairy products have a tendency to be high in protein. One of the first class ones is cottage cheese, which, calorie for calorie, is generally protein with only a few carbs and little fats. Eating cottage cheese is an exquisite way to enhance your protein consumption. It's also very satiating, making you experience complete with a particularly low range of energy. Dairy merchandise also is high in calcium, which may additionally useful resource for fat burning. Other low-fat excessive protein dairy products include Greek yogurt and skyr. Avocados. Avocados are a unique fruit. While the maximum end result is high in carbs, avocados are loaded with healthy fats. They are specifically high in monounsaturated oleic acid, the equal kind of fat observed in olive oil. Despite being ordinarily fat, avocados additionally incorporate a variety of water and fiber, making them much less energy dense than you may think. What's more, they are a great addition to vegetable salads as studies show that their fats contained material can boom carotenoid antioxidant absorption from the veggies 2.6 to 15 fold. They also contain many essential nutrients which include fiber and potassium. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is exceedingly famous in the herbal fitness community. It's often used in condiments like dressings or vinaigrettes, and a few people even dilute it in water and drink it. Several human based totally research proposes that apple cider vinegar can be useful for weight loss. Taking vinegar at the equal time as an excessive carb meal can boom feelings of fullness and make people eat 200 to 275 fewer energy for the relaxation of the day. One 12-week observed in obese individuals additionally confirmed that 15 or 30 ml of vinegar consistent with day triggered weight loss of 2.6 to 3.7 kilos or 1.2 to 1.7 kilograms. Vinegar has also been proven to lessen blood sugar spikes after food, which might also have numerous beneficial health effects inside a long time. Nuts. Despite being excessive in fats, nuts are not as fattening as you will anticipate. They are the first-rate snack containing balanced quantities of protein, fiber, and wholesome fat. Studies have proven that consuming nuts can improve metabolic fitness and even promote weight loss. What's more, population research has shown that folks that consume nuts have a tendency to be healthier and leaner than folks who don't, just ensure no longer to move overboard, as they are nonetheless fairly excessive in calories. If you generally tend to binge and devour huge amounts of nuts, it could be exceptional to keep away from them. Whole grains. Though cereal grains have received bad popularity in recent years, a few kinds are certainly healthful. This includes some whole grains which can be loaded with fiber and contain a first-rate quantity of protein. Notable examples include oats, brown rice, and quinoa. Oats are loaded with beta-glucans, soluble fibers that have been proven to increase satiety and enhance metabolic health. Both brown and white rice can comprise massive quantities of resistant starch, mainly if cooked and then allowed to chill in a while. Keep in mind that delicate grains aren't a wholesome preference, and sometimes meals that have whole grains at the label are fantastically processed junk ingredients which can be each dangerous and fattening. If you are on a very low carb weight reduction plan, you will need to keep away from grains as they are high in carbs. But there's, in any other case, not anything wrong with ingesting whole grains if you could tolerate them. Chili pepper. Eating chili peppers may be beneficial on a weight loss weight reduction plan. They comprise capsaicin, a substance that has been shown to reduce appetite and boom fats burning in some studies. This substance is even sold in supplement form and a common ingredient in lots of business weight loss dietary supplements. One take a look at showed that ingesting 1 gram of purple chili pepper reduced urge for food and multiplied fats burning in those who failed to often devour peppers. However, there has been no effect on individuals who had been aware of eating spicy meals, indicating that a short level of tolerance can build up. Fruit. Most fitness specialists agree that fruit is wholesome. Numerous population research has proven that individuals who consume the maximum fruit and greens have a tendency to be more healthy than folks who do not. Of course, correlation does no longer the same causation, so those studies do not show something. However, the end result does have houses that make them weight reduction pleasant. Even although they include natural sugar, they have a low strength density and take some time to chunk. Plus, their fiber content facilitates save you sugar from being released too quickly into your bloodstream. The simplest folks that can also want to avoid or decrease fruit are the ones on a completely low carb ketogenic food regimen or have an intolerance. For most fruits may be an effective and delicious addition to a weight reduction diet. Grapefruit. One fruit that deserves to be highlighted is grapefruit. Its results on weight management have been studied at once. In a 12-week examine in 91 overweight people, eating half a fresh grapefruit earlier than meals brought about weight loss of 3.5 pounds, 1.6 kilogram. The grapefruit group also had reduced insulin resistance, a metabolic abnormality that is implicated in various persistent sicknesses. Therefore, ingesting half of a grapefruit about half an hour before some of your each day meals may also assist you to feel extra satiated and devour less ordinary energy. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are many of the maximum nutritious ingredients on this planet. They include 12 grams of carbohydrates consistent with an ounce, 28 grams, which is pretty excessive. However, 11 of these grams are fiber. This makes chia seeds a low-carb pleasant food and one of the satisfactory assets of fiber in the world. Because of its excessive fiber contained material, chia seeds can soak up as much as 11-12 times their weight in water, turning gel-like and increasing to your belly. Though a few types of research have shown that chia seeds can help reduce appetite, they did not find a statistically giant effect on weight loss. However, given their nutrient composition, it makes feel that chia seeds could be a beneficial part of your weight loss eating regimen. Coconut oil. Not all fats are created identical. Coconut oil is high in fatty acids of medium duration called medium chain triglycerides (MCTs). These fatty acids have been proven to enhance satiety better than other fats and boom the wide variety of calories burned. Research, one in girls and the opposite in men, showed that coconut oil reduced quantities of stomach fat of root. Coconut oil nevertheless carries energy, so adding it on top of what you are already consuming it is a terrible idea. It's now not about adding coconut oil to your weight loss program, but approximately changing some of your other cooking fat with coconut oil. However, research shows that coconut oil is much less satiating than MCT oil, a complement that includes much better numbers of medium chain glycerides. Extra virgin olive oil is well worth mentioning here, as it's probably one of the healthiest fat on the earth. Full fat yogurt. Yogurt is any other brilliant dairy meals. Certain kinds of yogurt contain probiotic bacteria that may improve the characteristics of your gut. Having a healthy intestine may also assist defend against infection and leptin resistance, which is one of the foremost hormonal drivers of weight problems. Make certain to pick out yogurt with live, energetic cultures, as other forms of yogurt incorporate in reality no probiotics. Also, keep in mind choosing complete fats yogurt. Studies display that complete fat dairy, however, no longer low fats, is related to a reduced hazard of weight problems and type 2 diabetes through the years. Low fat yogurt is typically loaded with sugar, so it's great to keep away from it. Oatmeal. Starting the day with a bowl of oatmeal can also result in a decreased range on the scales. Take a look at concerning 47 adults looked at variations in urge for food, fullness, and next meal intake after individuals ate oatmeal in place of an oat primarily based prepared to devour breakfast cereal. After ingesting oatmeal, participants felt significantly fuller and much less hungry than after ingesting the cereal. Also, their calorie consumption at lunch becomes decreases after eating oatmeal than after eating breakfast cereal. While both breakfasts contained the same quantity of energy, the oatmeal supplied greater protein, extra fiber, and less sugar than the cereal. The authors concluded that the difference in fiber, mainly a sort of soluble fiber called beta glucan, changed into possibly chargeable for the effects. Popcorn. As long as this popular crunchy treat isn't always doused in movie theater butter, it makes an extraordinary weight reduction snack. Not most effective is popcorn, excessive in fiber, it even promises some protein. A 1-ounce serving of air popcorn, about 3.5 cups, has 4 grams of fiber, nearly 4 grams of protein, and clocks in at 110 calories. This combination makes it a snack with staying strength. Popcorn is filled with air, so you get a quite massive element without loads of energy. You can eat 3 entire cups of popcorn for the most effective 100 calories. Almonds. Almonds are a first-rate source of fiber and they are excessive in protein. Eating ingredients with the only punch of fiber and protein allow you to experience fuller longer, which makes it less tempting to attain for an unhealthy snack among meals. Rich in vitamin E and a very good source of heart-healthy mono and polyunsaturated fat, almonds are an incredible choice to sprinkle over a salad or aspect dish. You can also use them in pesto in the region of walnuts or pine nuts. Top your morning granola with them or sincerely hold a small bag to your purse as an emergency snack.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.